Hello my friend, how are you? Today I got one problem for XS Max. Is original any one LCD is not working, like OLED display not working, and copy one is working. I will check first this one GX original LCD OLED is not working. Then I will check to copy one. This one is copy LCD. I will try this one. Is copy TFT LCD is working. See this one, I will fix it the LCD. This one TFT LCD, it's working. See, it's coming power on, all is working, but original LCD anyone is not working, no graphics coming. Okay, so this one problem have one line short for inside 3.0 volt, pin number 8. Okay, so let's do this. Check this one first. Is touch working? Okay, see this one, pin number 8, this one is coming 3.0 volt. This line is missing. This capacitor, one capacitor have short, and this resistance also have damage. It's not working. So just make two jumper. First to check the jumper. Okay, I will do the jumper one piece. See this one, just I will jumper the resistance and check value is coming. Now is coming okay value. Just try to jumper only first. Okay, see this one, I will make jumper is coming okay reading. So I hope you like my video. Please share and subscribe, and check this one LCD is working. Now any original LCD is working here. Now is okay. Copy and LCD original also working. Okay, see, all is working. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.